All right, everybody. This series we will be focusing on the cover zero coverages, which for me will mean we'll be running a lot of different blitzes. So this will probably be the longest part series of all the coverages that I'm uploading on the channel. So this first one is a cover zero where I believe the play that was called was for both of these inside linebackers to blitz the gap. Only one does, which is him. I'm not sure why he called himself off. And the outside backer should have the first back his way. This free safety should have the number 2. This outside linebacker here will have the first back his way. So let's see what we get. They picked it up. We had a good man-to-man coverage with our corner there, but we should have had an extra blitzer. So let me see if I can be the pause master here. Okay. They pick up everybody over here. So we got a back steps down. We got man on man. I believe this is the center taking on this linebacker. So had we blitzed this linebacker, he'd have been knocking this running back quintessentially back into this quarterback. That's our hope. A decent play by the corner. I want the corner to actually be inside technique. He should have been about in here, but he's playing outside, still trying to coach him up. But let's look at this blitz. For some reason, that's a different play. Let's move on. So I'm bringing both the outside linebackers on this play. Safety should have him. I'm not sure how that play even got on there. So again, we're bringing both outside backers on this play. I want him to walk down and be closer on that number 2. I want to take a look at 34 right here. How's he getting back in that backfield? Looking pretty good. Split the double teams, making plays. I did say I have some help. Let's see what his help is doing over here. Good job reducing gaps on D-line. Should be both middle backers hitting the A gap. Put some good pressure on them. Outstanding motor by the defensive tackle here. DN moved down to more pressure. Outstanding motor. Great job. Number 34 right here, stacked in front of this linebackers, playing some good football. Both middle backers to be hitting B gap. They got a guy that didn't come. So again, he's doing his own thing. He called himself off for absolutely no reason, and then whoop, misses a tackle. Cannot do that. So where it should have been, he should have been hitting the B gap. So no, it's just Mike Blast. But I'm pretty sure I didn't call Mike Blast only. But at any rate, let's see. So free safety is supposed to have two, but we got a miscommunication going on. So I got way more people in coverage than I anticipated when I called the play. So I guess that's why he got nobody to throw to for certain. But that would mean that Mike linebacker's got to make that play. Wow, good block by the running back, by the way. So I'm cover zero here, bringing both middle backers, and a missed tackle in the backfield. Let's see where my outside linebacker was. Outside linebacker's out of position. And we got zero. One's got the number. The corner's got the number one. The outside linebacker has the wing. Linebacker, I think on this play is actually blitzing here. It's got him. I think there actually should be crossing, but he's going here and he's going there. And what should happen is free safety should have the number two, and this guy should walk down and in and have that back that's there. And what I teach is a SWAT, which means the defensive end that's going C gap. If this back leaks, I teach him that SWAT, which means he call off his pursuit to try and get to the quarterback and he collisions the running back. Let's see what happens. So I should be bringing both outside linebackers, him and him. We got to feel that whole better linebacker. D-line is doing everything they're supposed to be doing. It's a different play, but on this one, I'm blitzing my outside backers. No, it's the same play. They get outside of it. Cannot happen. Problem is right here outside. right here. You kind of got to expect that when you're on the wide side of the field. It's pretty good by the D-line. When the D-line does what you ask them to do, man, this is what it's supposed to look like. Hands, feet, doghouse. These are my bigger guys that I have in. These run-stopping defensive line right here. And I believe I'm bringing blitzes with it as well. So good luck trying to run on this play. I don't give a damn who you are. It's a great job. I want to see the nose guard use his hands more. Create some separation, but good penetration though. We created a new line of scrimmage on that play. Good God Almighty. That was wonderful. I don't know why I thought it's even on here. That was mislabeled. So this is letting everybody know what they were supposed to have been having. Free safety gets 2. Outside backer here should be getting the number 3 on the wing. So yeah, again, we got a linebacker that's doing his own thing. He's supposed to have been blitzing C gap. He chose to blitz A. That's not what we called. We called him the blitz right off of here. So this is that play that the D-line did really well. So it's actually mislabeled. This is double scrape. Let me go in. So this one is mislabeled. This is actually the double scrape play that the D-line did pretty good on. Very good on. Everybody's using their hands and being physical. This is what I'm looking for from the defensive line. I wish I could take a picture and push pause master or something on this one, but everybody's reducing gaps, hands nasty down in there, man. And it produces great things for us. Do your job to make other people's jobs easier. Gotta make those plays. And he should have been blitzing. True enough, I should have had 2 people back there on him. I don't think we're actually blitzing anybody. We're just standing in our defense and running cover 0 out of it. That's a great job by the corner. Absolutely great job of run support coming up by the corner. I didn't notice it from the other angle that we had right here. That corner's making a great play right there. Outstanding job replacing. Great job, corner. Great job. So misalignment here. I should be bringing all 3 linebackers from the middle.